Class 2, welcome back to Maths class. Today in this class we are going to learn ascending and descending numbers. I think you are familiar with this word, ascending and descending. I think in class 1 also you have done ascending numbers and descending numbers, right? So when we move forward, we are doing ascending numbers, and when we write the numbers backward, then we are descending. Okay, so like you must have seen when you are climbing from first floor to the fourth floor. From first floor to the fourth floor, when you are climbing, then what are you doing? You are ascending. That means from small to big you are going. You first climb to the first floor, then you go to the second floor, then third floor, and then you go to the fourth floor. Okay, so when you have to go from bottom to top, then you are ascending. And when you have to come down from top to bottom, then you are descending. Okay. Now, same thing happens with the numbers also. Like when we count the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 is the smallest number, like no. So 1 is the smallest number, or rather we can say 0 is the smallest number. Okay. Say 0 is the ground level. Then next, first, like 1 is the first floor, 2 is the second floor, 3 is the third floor, 4 is the fourth floor. So what we are doing? From ground floor we are going up. From down, when we go up, then we are ascending. Okay. And from up, when we come down, then we are descending. Same thing happens with numbers also. Like you can see here, this is a staircase. Okay. Now, this level is your ground level. Like no, you start from the ground level. So, from the ground level, then you go to the first floor. Okay. Then you are moving up again to the second floor. Again you are moving up third floor. Then again you are moving up. That means you are ascending. You are ascending. From small to big you are going. Now here we have 1-digit numbers. Same thing we can follow for the 2-digit number, 3-digit number. And now, like in the last class, we have learned how to compare the numbers, right? So, by the help of comparing numbers, we can also do ascending and descending order. Now, what is descending order? From big to small. That means from up to down. So, here you can see the biggest number is 4. Then we are moving down. 3. Again down. 2. Again down. 1. And ground. Okay. So, this is how we are descending. And when we go from small to big, from down to up, we are saying we are ascending. And when we are coming down from up to down, then we are descending. Okay. In other words, we can say ascending order means small to big numbers. When we move ahead from small to big numbers, we are saying we are ascending. Writing the number in ascending order. When we move from big to small or from up to down, then we call it descending order. Okay. Now with some example, I will show you how to do ascending and descending order. You have few exercises also in your book. So first I will be showing you how to arrange the number in the ascending order. Like I'll take one example. Say I'll be taking 2-digit number. For example, say 57, 97, or rather 95, 10, 5, say 42. These are the numbers. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. Now we will write them in ascending order. How we will write in ascending order? A-C-N-D-I-N-G. This is the spelling of ascending. Ascending order. Ascending order means from small to big. Now we have learned how to compare the numbers. So we will try to first find the smallest number. Now how do we find the smallest number, or how do we compare the number? The first step is to check the number of digits. So you see here 57 is of 2 digit, 95 2 digit, 10 2 digit, 42 2 digit, only 5 is having 1 digit number. So 5 is the smallest number. We will write 5 first. Okay, because this is the smallest number. Then we move to the next bigger number. Now after 5 what comes? Now we have, this is done. So we will put a tick mark here, or a cross mark also you can put for your convenience. Now we are left out with 57, 95, 10 and 42. Among these 4 numbers, now again we will compare which one is the bigger number. Okay. Now you see here, we will compare the smallest number among all these, which is the smallest. So you see all are 2 digit number, then we will see their tens place. Now here we have 5, this is 9, this is 1 and this is 4. Among 9, 5, 1 and 4, which is the smallest? 1 is the smallest. So we will write 10 as the bigger number, next bigger number. Okay. Now 10 is also done. Now we are left with 3 numbers. 57, 95, 42. Among these 3, which one is the smallest? 42 is the smallest, because 4 is smaller than 9 and 5. Okay. After 42, the next bigger number is, now 42 is also done. Okay. Now we are left with these 2 numbers. Which one is the small, among these 2, which one is the smallest? This 5 is smallest. We will write here 5, 57 and the biggest number is 95. So this is the numbers arranged in the ascending order. Same thing we can do for 3-digit number also. In your book 3-digit numbers are given and you have to compare and you have to write them in the ascending order. Now what if we have to write the same number in the descending order? So what have we learned? Descending order means from big to small, from top to bottom, up to down. Okay. So we'll do that. Let's write the same number in the descending order. So in descending order, first descending. Please learn the spelling of descending and ascending. Okay. Now in descending order, first we do from the biggest number. Now we will just erase these tick marks so that we can do it. Now you see again the first step, what we have to do? We have to count the number of digits. Only 5 is having 1 digit, which is the smallest number. Okay. First we have to find out the biggest number. Which is the biggest number out of all these numbers? So you can see here 9 is the biggest number. Okay. 9 is the biggest number. So we will write 95 as the biggest number. Now smaller than 95 is which one? Which one is smaller than 95? 95 is done. Now we have 57, 42, 5 and 10. So it seems 57 is the next smaller number. Okay. 57 is also done. Now we have these 3 numbers, 42, 5 and 10. Now among these 3, 42 is the greatest. Okay, among these the 42 is the greatest. This is done. Now we have to compare between these 2 numbers. Which one is greater? 10 is greater, of course. And the smallest number is 5. So this is how we arrange the number in descending order. Okay. So what you are going to do, you will follow the same steps and you will complete question number 2 and 3. Page number 29. I am just writing here. Page number 29. Exercise number 1.8. Exercise number 1.8. Question number 2 and 3 you will do. Okay. Question number 2 and 3 you will do in the book itself. And whatever I have noted down, I have copied on the, or I have explained on the board, you will copy that in your copy. Alright children. So this is how we do ascending and descending order. You want me to, like, if I, okay, let me do one question from both the questions. Like once, I will show you the examples or one sum from each question. Like from question number 2, ascending order, and question number 3, descending order. This is question number 2. Write in ascending order. Okay, first one, what are the numbers? 688, 499, 929, 374, 812. Now among these numbers we have to arrange them in ascending order. Ascending order again means small to big. So let's do that. First we will try to find out the smallest number. Now all these numbers are having 3-digit number. Okay. So we will first check the next step is to check the hundreds place. So among hundreds place, you see this is 6, this is 4, this is 9, 3, 8. So among these numbers, which is the smallest number? 3 is the smallest number. So first we will write 374. This is done. Now next smallest number among all these, we will find the smallest number. 6, 4, 9, 8. So 4 is the smallest. We will write 499. Okay, this is also done. Now we have 6, 9, 8. Out of these 3, which is the smallest? 6 is the smallest. 688. This is also done. Now next 9 and 8. Which is the smallest among these two? 8 is smallest. 8, 1, 2, and then last is, this is done. The last one is 9 to 9. So this is your ascending order. This is how you have to do ascending order. Okay. First you will count the number of digits. If number of digits are same, then we check the place values. The highest place value. In 3-digit, the highest place value is 100. Like this, you will also do descending order. Okay. I will do one question for you, descending order. Descending order means what? Descending order means from big to small. So let's write here descending order. Okay. Number 8. Let's see what is the question. 714. Next is 526. After that 718. Okay. No. I am going down. 409 it is. 409, 318, 318, and next is 112. Now from here, descending order, what we have learned about descending order? It is from big to small. So first we will find the biggest number. So all these numbers are 3-digit number. So we have to check the place value. 7, 5, 4, 3, 1. So among all these numbers, 7 is the biggest. Okay. We will write 714 first. Then Out of this 3, which is the next? 526. Okay. Next, which is the next number? 318, and this was 490. 490. Okay. 500 after 526. Now we have two numbers of 4. If we have two numbers, okay, same number in the hundreds place, then what we do? We go to the next place value, that is tens place. Here it is 0, here 9. So, out of these two, which one we will write? Bigger is this one, 490. Then we have 109. And the smallest is 380. So, this is your descending order. Okay. Same way you will do page number 29 from exercise number 1.8. Now, we will learn how to make numbers by using different digits. Okay. Smallest number, or you can just say like with the help of any 3 digit, we can make different numbers. How shall we make that? Let us see.